we're now at one of the most exciting stages, bringing the window furnishings to life. We've got Aaron from Blinds Australia here, who's going to show us how to program the motorised blinds and make those final little adjustments to really bring your installation to the next level.
Programming blinds is much easier than you think. First, you just connect your blinds to either your remote or your smartphone app. Once they're linked, you can set timers, create scenes, or even have them open and close at certain times of the day.
So it's not just about convenience, it's about making the blinds work for your lifestyle.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So you can have them come up in the morning at sunrise and then come down at night time for privacy. You can have them open and shut while you're away, so it looks like there's someone home. And the best part is that they're voice activated, so you can literally just say, "Hey Google, close my blinds."
That's so cool.
Here's a simple example. You can set your blinds to open at 7 a.m. The blinds are open to let natural light in, and in the evening they drop automatically. Once you've programmed them, you don't have to think about it again.
And beyond convenience, there's also security. Automated blinds give the impression that someone's home even when there's not. And what if something's slightly off, like if one blind just doesn't quite align with the other?
Yeah, don't panic. It's really an easy fix. You can either just adjust it with your remote or your mobile phone.
Thank goodness.
Small tweaks are very common on install day. We've designed everything so that you can adjust it without having to call a tech.
The blinds look so polished once they're all properly integrated. Do you have any tips for the curtains?
Absolutely. The curtains need a little bit of help to fall properly, especially when they're first hung. Use your hands to guide the pleats, steam out any wrinkles and let the fabric drop naturally for a few days. It makes a huge difference.
So there you have it. Programming your blinds, adjusting your curtains and making those final finishing touches can make all the difference.
And when you get this stage right, it's not just about looks, it's about comfort, convenience and making the space truly yours. And we've got all the guides and resources on the Blinds Australia website. So whether it's measuring, installing or styling your curtains and blinds, we've built it all with the DIY installer in mind so you can get the perfect result at home.